What's exciting about the signs is they provide real-time transportation information to riders in terms of when their vehicle's coming, how long till it departs, and how long before they can leave and begin their journey on the system. Through the Keep Oregon Moving legislation, we were able to launch a low-income fare program, and right now we have over 30,000 folks signed up and participating in that program and saving resources every time they use public transit. And so if you combine that with someone waiting at a bus stop, now they have a more affordable fare, and they have access to real-time transportation information to help plan their trips. Not everyone has a phone or a mobile device. So this puts the power back inside the customer's hands for them to understand how long it is before their ride will be there and what to expect in terms of transportation planning time.
I noticed it like a couple days ago and I was like, oh, this is new. So it's like, it was very helpful for me because sometimes my phone's dead and I'd be missing buses. So this helped me a lot to get to work and school sometimes.
A core value for TriMet is equity, and we've done a lot to sort of understand where people live in our community, especially low income and people of color. And so what's exciting about this new technology is we've made sure to place it in those communities first. This technology is just one more example of how we listen to the community, we partner with the community, and we use resources to provide new solutions to the community. So it's just creating more equitable access and just providing more resources for folks to use to navigate the public transit system.